So once your multiple coats of gesso are dry, we now need to abrade it down. And our objective is to get as smooth as possible. And it's almost, you have to feel how smooth this is. If you've felt the surface of a new automobile, it's 10 times smoother than that. It's absolutely astonishing that with the rabbit skin glue combination of whiting, it gets super, super smooth. So to achieve that, we're going to use abrasive papers. This is a Klingspor variety, wet dry paper, and we're going to start with 220 and go to 1,000. Again, for the purposes of the video, I'm just going to do a quick demonstration just with the 220. And you could try this dry. If your paper tends to load up too much, you could use water. And I'd fold it in, cut your paper in quarters like this, and then fold it in quarters. And with a light touch, try and even out all the inconsistencies by abrading the surface. You can do circular motions, but finish up using straight motions with the direction of the carving. This is a horn, so I don't want to go cross motions or circular. In the end, I want to do finishing up following the length of the horn. And you can feel it's building up a little bit in the paper, but it's not overbearing. The paper is still cutting. So when we have to shift into water mode, by putting a few drops of water on this, it's going to start to soften this. It'll sand better, but we run the risk of pulling it all off. So the more you can sand with a dry application, the better. So again, with a very light touch, trying to roll and to smooth and get all the inconsistencies of the carving out underneath. So we're actually forming a bridge of this plaster material over the carving where the carver didn't do such a good job. And he's not supposed to. He's supposed to give us a basic background. And we continue this until we feel that we're not going to go through, and then we go to the subsequent finer grits, up to 1,000 grit.